dear friends. A very warm good morning to you all. I am Susmita Taman, here as a group leader of grade 8. Today we are going to present you on the topic parents, which is presented in the lesson 7 of grade 10. Here you can see the contents, which includes introduction, summary, interpretation, themai, and conclusion. So without further ado, I would like to call my dear friends Susmita Sunal for the introduction.
The historic parents is written by Sri Gurai, who was born in 1951. He has contributed his study in the India, Nepal and the UK. He is also one of the famous writers who has written many studies and novels. Next, I would like to call my friend Srikala.
The story begins with a controversy between a father and a daughter, where the father denies her daughter to meet her Ephraim. The father convinces her daughter, saying that nowadays bad people take advantages of innocent girls like her and takes them as teenagers. But the daughter insisted a lot, so the father told his daughter that he is also going along with her. So the father also promised her daughter that he wouldn't get out of his car if he saw any girl of age 12. During the way, the daughter revealed that she is going to meet her Ephraim not as a girl, but as a boy. So when they reached the meeting place, they see nobody except a black car and dark windows. They waited for 10 minutes, but it was all in vain. So the day after tomorrow, the father told his friend Durga about yesterday's incidents. His friend simply smiles and says that the mother of his daughter Ephraim was also searching for a boy of age 13. So the story ends with shocking yet humorous revelation. Now for the interpretation, I would like to call my dear friend Prabhat.
A parent's story. It is a narrative story which shows present problem in every society. That is cybercrime. In this story, this is a hilarious way. Her dad is 60 years old, who knows about cybercrime and misuse of internet. Her dad is overprotective and caring for her. The daughter is 13 years old, who knows about who is Gen Z, who always spend most of her time on computer with chatting with friend. She doesn't listen to her father whenever he says something good about her. The daughter and father relationship is also not pretty good because of the age gap and knowledge. When daughter pretended to be a boy and meet her Ephraim, the dad was shocked by listening this information. Now, for the next slide, I want to call Mrs. Susmita Tamang.
The story highlights the parents and the children relationship with each other to the various characters in the story. It has shown that the parents are possessive and protective for their children, which is taken by the children as an irritation method. Likewise, it has also highlights the separation between the parents and children relation with each other due to the advancement in the technology. Last but not the least, it has also reminded us about our responsibilities towards our parents and to respect them. Now for Team I would like to call my dear friend Prajwal.
This story explores the impact of modernization on Gen Z through Anuja, or symbol of today's children. It shows how the virtual socializing commonly can make problems within families and expose the children to the risks. The Anuja's case highlights how the influence of social media and event can mislead children and make them vulnerable. Her pretending to be a boy reflects the ignorance and unawareness of the cybersecurity. This story is a reminder that modernization can be both opportunities and challenges, and the children should be guided to use technology wisely and safely. Thank you. Now I'd like to call for Mr. Prabhat. Nirola Pati.
Parents, this story is written by Vishnu Singh Rai, who is one of his famous stories that highlight the relationship of the father and daughter. It contains the themes of parents-child relationship, well as modernization, effects, and socialization of Gen Z. Thank you.